Hey, this is CJ. I'm heading to Auden, Kentucky. Right now, we're gonna clean Tera'S mother's headstone. So other than that, we're taking care of you, Tara. And if anybody else needs some help, let me know. This is CJ as we're driving to Auden, Kentucky. We're almost there. And all we gotta do is find the cemetery, which I haven't. I'll let you know when I get there. Other than that, let me know. This is CJ signing out, heading to Auden. Peace. We are here. Thought I'd let you know it's not a big cemetery, but we are definitely here. And as you see, it is called Sassafras Church in Sassafras Grove Cemetery. So it's not a big cemetery. We are definitely going to take a little quick walk so I can find this. So the camera might bounce around, but other than that, like I said, we're here. We're doing this for you, Tara. So we're going to kind of look as we're walking. As you can see, a lot of yeah, it's not a big cemetery. So it shouldn't be that hard. Definitely. Let's see what we got here. No. It's not these that I can kind of graze as I'm walking through. And I don't see it yet. But if I get lucky, I'm the man. Because it's kind of hard sometimes just to find any stones. You're looking. No. Guys, you ain't gonna believe it. It looked like I found it. It's right here in front of me. I was looking over there. So yes, we found your mother's grave, Tara. It needs a little bit of upkeep, but like I said, we got it, we found it. So this is CJ, about to sign out. So other than that, like I said, if anybody needs something done, let me know. Like I said, reach out to me. I'm always available. So just reach out to me. And let me know, you know, like I said, as long as you're in the local area. But like I said, we will travel. So other than that, yeah. Reach out to me and spread the word. This is CJ signing out. Peace.